Mama Bear. Our YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Eve Ishona. And if it's your first time clicking onto this video, please consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell, and please like this video. And my daughter is
Hey Joy.
And your
Silas.
And Amani, where are you? She's always doing gymnastics. Yeah, and we're going to show you some gymnastics here. Amani, let's show them some gymnastics.
Come lead us.
Move, Silas.
My turn. Your turn.
And Silas. And then we're going to do some splits. Amani, show us how to do splits. Splits.
What is
Splits. Wow, even me, the Mama Bear, can do it. Do you think I can do it? Please comment down below, but let me show them. I can also do it. Woo!
Nice.
I'm a flexible Mama Bear. But I'm hurting. Okay, guys. Another one. Not that one, the other one.
Like this.
This one is not. What are you doing down here?
Okay, let me do like a money, guys.
Amani, is that one for sleeping and waking up?
The bridge.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna hit her. Okay, guys. I want to prepare for them the favorite meal, and I'm not gonna tell them right now. So let's go to the kitchen. Crystal, say hi. Say hi to the people.
Crystal.
So guys, ladies and gentlemen, before I go into the cooking, are you suffering from pimples, acne, black spots? We have a solution for you. Lady Care Organics got you. So we have here fruit soap. Fruit soap has pineapple, papaya, carrots and turmeric, and it helps in making the skin glow and combats acne, and it's nice for the skin. And also I have here rice and potato soap. So I had blended potatoes and used rice flour to make this soap. So this soap is called rice and potato. I'm going to be packing it. It helps in combating acne, pimples and maybe black spots. Yeah, so if you're suffering from them, my number is there on the screen. Make sure to contact me. You can WhatsApp me so that I can know which soap that you're going to use. And without further ado, let me start my cooking, guys. So today I have here minced meat, and this is their favorite meal, guys. And I'm also going to be cooking spaghetti. Actually, I had already boiled it, so don't be like, oh Eve, why is the meat like that? I had already boiled it. And then I'm going to be using, as usual, just simple tomatoes and onions and Royco cubes. So Royco cube Kenya, wherever you are, always remember that I use your cubes. I can be a good brand ambassador. So let me start. I think what I'm going to put. So guys, I'm going to be preparing for them. This is their favorite meal. And on a lighter note, oops, the onion has fallen away, has fallen down. On a lighter note, my grandma has passed away. It's really sad, and I'm supposed to go to the village to attend the burial, and yeah, so I may seem happy right now, but actually we are in a mode of morning. Yeah. So let me just cut these onions and I prepare for them their favorite meal, guys. But let me not let it kill this joy. Yeah. So let me start frying. And I hope you also get tips of cooking from me, guys. You have to wait for the sufuria to dry. You have to wait for the sufuria to dry. So actually they don't know what I'm preparing for them. It's a surprise. So after the oil is hot, you add in the onions. And be careful with your eyes. It's always important to wash your tomatoes. Okay, salt is also vital. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using. Wow, guys, I'm enjoying really. Thank you so much for your support, for those who come to watch my videos. I really appreciate you so much. I love you so much. Yeah. So I don't know how you cook your minced meats, but this is how I cook mine. So after I've fried the onions and tomato, so I'm going to be adding the minced meat. I had already boiled it. This one I'll put water. Wow, look at the yumminess, guys. Woo! So yummy. I wish I had turmeric. Turmeric in minced meat is really sweet, like the Ethiopians. So I'm not going to let this go to waste. I'll put all the meats in the spices just a little bit. I'm not going to be putting much, just like 3 of them, because it's not good to put a lot of spices in children's food. Just 2 or 3. Let me just add the 3rd one because I'm going to be putting a lot of soup. Yeah, just like that.
cooking? Spaghetti. What do you think mom is cooking? Spaghetti. I think mom is cooking chicken or chapati. No. He's cooking. No. Minced meat. No. Meat. No. Tungu. No. I think mom is cooking chicken or chips or rice and meat. Rice and mince meat. Okay, we're going to see, guys.
Okay, so my minced meat is done. Yeah, as you can see, it's done. And now I'm boiling water for the spaghetti. I don't know what you call this in your language, but I hear others say pasta. Please comment down below so that we can know. Yeah, so let me wait for the water to boil. Hey guys, and always remember to add salt and some oil. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to do it like that. I had already cut them. So we'll just wait for it. Okay, we'll wait for it to boil. So yeah, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes and then it's going to be done. Okay guys, so I think it's ready. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll put it here and let cold water run over it. This is to stop the cooking process. So that's how you do it to stop it from becoming mashed spaghetti. Oh, the water is still there. Okay guys, the food is ready, it's here. Spaghetti and minced meat. So they don't know yet. Let me serve for them and then call them. They're in the bedroom playing. I don't know if this spaghetti is good. I don't have serving spoons. What do you use to pick spaghetti with? What do you use to serve spaghetti with? Because I don't know what I'm going to be using. One spoon has fallen. As you can see, Crystal is already enjoying. Yeah. So let me call them. Hailey!
Yes!
Amani, come for the surprise.
Wow!
Yeah. Silas, that's yours.
Wow.
This is for yours, Hailey, and for... Wow, do you love it?
We love it, Mom.
Okay, you can have a taste. How is it?
Let me get.
I think we need a fork. So maybe you should first go. You'll wash your hands or you'll eat with a spoon.
We'll wash our hands.
Okay.
Mom!
Oh, you're welcome.
We love you.
Thank you so much.
Mom.
Oh, even you love me. Okay. How's the food?
Let me go taste. Wow. Let me taste. It's so
sweet.
delicious. It's so sweet. Wow. It's so good. Hi. I'm eating.
Okay guys, thank you for watching up to this moment. So that's an easy way of cooking for your kids' supper ideas. Yeah, leave a comment and I will so much appreciate. If you want to reach out to me, my number is in the description box or on the screen. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you so much. If it was not for you, my subscribers, I would not be here. As you can see, I'm salivating. I just want to have a taste of what I've made. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
This is for you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye guys, let's sing the song. You better like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe. Oh, you better like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe to TV show now. Bye guys. Bye guys.
Okay, bye.